I try to set like 3 criteria that I really want to accomplish in a design. So like for example, for my project, it's making it hurricane resistant, earthquake resistant, and then naturally ventilated. So right now we're designing a shelter for refugees in Haiti that face frequent earthquakes and hurricanes that destroy their housing and infrastructure. So trying to design a shelter that could be rapidly deployed and fits a lot of those needs for those people. My name is Baxter Miller. I'm originally from just north of Denver, and right now I'm taking the EPOD 2100 studio, which is taught by Azhar. There's definitely some collaborative moments. A lot of the work in this studio in particular is individual, so like a lot of like sitting at your desk and just kind of poring over your design, and then meeting with Azhar, and he's really good at pointing you in new directions and influencing you to take your design in a whole new direction, and then you can kind of go down that on your own. A big lesson for me is just understanding like the amount of time it takes to arrive at a good design, and all the hours you have to take iterating and investigating your design to really come to like a final good product.